Hi everyone, it's Ella. Ever worried that your metabolism might be slowing down as you grow older, leading to weight gain? Well, you're not alone. It's a concern that casts a shadow on many of us as we age. But what if I told you there's a simple yet powerful way to kick that sluggish metabolism into high gear and even burn fat while you sleep? Intrigued? I bet you are. Today I'm here to share a potent elixir that you can whip up at home using ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. This concoction is not only easy to make, but is also packed with a host of health benefits. So if you're ready to give your metabolism a much-needed boost and keep those extra pounds at bay, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as I reveal the key ingredients that make up this potent elixir. First off, let's uncover the secret behind our key ingredients. These everyday items are not just for flavoring your favorite dishes, they are power-packed metabolism boosters that can help you maintain a healthy weight. First up, we have cinnamon. This warm, aromatic spice is a regular on many a breakfast table. But did you know it's also a metabolic superhero? Cinnamon contains a compound known as cinnamaldehyde, which kickstarts thermogenic and metabolic responses. It has the unique ability to convert white fat, especially in the belly region, into brown fat, which is more efficiently used by the body for energy. Added bonus, cinnamon can help lower blood sugar levels and fight against diabetes. Next, we have black pepper. This humble kitchen staple is a powerhouse of piperine, a compound that enhances metabolic performance and prevents fat accumulation. Black pepper is a thermogenic food, which means it can speed up your metabolic process and help you burn calories more quickly. Plus, it's been known to increase the concentration of good cholesterol, making it a heart-healthy choice. Our third ingredient is paprika. Not only does it add a vibrant color and smoky flavor to dishes, but it also boasts powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Paprika contains capsaicin, which increases the body's temperature, creating a thermogenic effect. This makes it a great ally for those with autoimmune and inflammatory diseases. Last but definitely not least, we have honey. This sweet nectar is far more than just a natural sweetener. Raw honey has anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. It aids in waste expulsion as a detoxifier for the liver and intestines. The antioxidants in honey reduce oxidative stress, benefiting not only your body, but also your brain. It also activates recovery hormones, promoting fat burning. Now that we know how each ingredient brings its unique benefits to the table, it's time to get mixing. Each of these ingredients is a small but mighty ally in the fight against slow metabolism and weight gain, so stay tuned as we blend these powerful ingredients into a potent elixir that you can easily make at home. Now we will prepare our metabolism-boosting elixir. The road to wellness begins with a single step, and today, we're making that stride with a simple yet potent elixir. This concoction is designed to enhance your metabolism and burn fat, all while you enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. Let's begin by gathering our key ingredients. We'll need cinnamon, black pepper, paprika, and raw honey. Each ingredient has been selected for its unique health benefits, from boosting your metabolism to reducing inflammation. First, we start with hot boiling water. You'll want about a cup of this. The hot water is the perfect base for our elixir, allowing all the ingredients to meld together seamlessly. Next, we add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Remember, we're not just adding flavor here, but also a potent metabolism booster. Cinnamon has the unique ability to convert white fat into brown fat, kickstarting your body's energy-burning process. Following the cinnamon, we'll include a quarter teaspoon of paprika. This vibrant spice not only gives our elixir a lovely color, but also provides powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Then we'll add a dash or two of black pepper. This humble spice is a thermogenic food, meaning it helps speed up your metabolic process, allowing you to burn calories more quickly. Finally, we'll mix in 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. But not just any honey, we're using raw honey. This natural sweetener detoxifies the body, reduces oxidative stress, and activates recovery hormones, promoting fat burning. Ensure the water is still hot, allowing everything to dissolve properly. The result is a deliciously warming and aromatic elixir that's as good for you as it tastes. Now, when to drink this? For the best results, consume this elixir approximately 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. This will allow your body to reap the full benefits of the mixture as you sleep. But don't worry, you can also take it in the morning before breakfast. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful elixir to rev up your metabolism and burn fat while you sleep. So, that's how easy it is to make a metabolism-boosting elixir at home. You see, with a few simple ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen, you can create a powerful concoction that not only revs up your metabolism, but also promotes better health overall. Let's do a quick recap. Cinnamon with its cinnamaldehyde is a thermogenic powerhouse that helps convert white fat into energy-burning brown fat. It also lowers blood sugar levels and fights diabetes. Black pepper, packed with piperine, enhances metabolic performance, prevents fat accumulation, and boosts good cholesterol. Paprika, rich in capsaicin, increases body temperature, helping burn calories more quickly. It also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which are beneficial for those with autoimmune and inflammatory diseases. And let's not forget the sweetness of honey. This natural sweetener is much more than just a sugar replacement. Its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties make it a potent detoxifier for the liver and intestines. Plus, it helps reduce oxidative stress, which is beneficial for the brain. By combining these ingredients, you get an elixir that not only helps you burn fat while you sleep, but also promotes a normal sleep cycle. It's a win-win situation. Now it's your turn to give this a shot. Gather these ingredients and start brewing. Remember, drink this elixir approximately 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime for deeper sleep and a revved-up metabolism. You can also take it in the morning before breakfast. I encourage you to try making this elixir at home. It's a simple, effective way to boost your metabolism and promote better health. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any variations you've come up with. And remember, make it a great day. Cheers to your health and well-being.